Add some fried onion on top. It's very tasty with this fried onion. Crispy and juicy inside. Oh, crispy. The taste of the spices. Yummy. Friends, today I come here with a new recipe, crispy fried chicken of my version. Spicy, crispy, juicy chicken fry. Friends, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and hit bell icon for my latest new innovative recipes. Here are 750 gram of chicken, wings and some, I like it with the bone. For marination, some cloves of garlic, piece of ginger, some red chilies, soaked in the water, spicy super taste, a small piece of bay leaf, a black cardamom, 2-3 pieces of green cardamoms, 2-3 pieces of clove, some mace, a small piece of nutmeg, some cinnamon sticks, some fennel seeds, cumin seeds, very few amount of fenugreek seeds, some black peppercorns, some coriander leaves. Not leaves, roots and stems of the coriander. Cut this up and clean it well. Add this cilantro, roots and stems in it. Also some coriander seeds. 2 lemon, small lemon, so that 2, a little bit of khaskhas or poppy seeds. Make all ingredients the fine paste. 2 medium onion, thinly sliced. It's for fried onion, making fried onion. That's accompanied with the fried chicken. The grounded paste is ready. Add some salt, some turmeric, lemon juice, mix well. Now add it to the chicken. Now keep it this for overnight, but I am not keeping it for overnight, just for hour. Finally, the marinated chicken is going to coated with flour. I am going to add some rice flour. I am using roasted rice flour. I am going to coated in rice flour. frying time, add some garlic in it. This for garlic and cilantro dip. Garlic fried enough. I'm going to remove it. Now onion. Now a pinch of turmeric, then make your onion a golden vibrant color. The onion fried enough, remove it from the fire because onion will fry itself in heat. Add chicken. Turn it out. Remove it from the fire because it's been double fried. Need to be double fried, so yes, it's fried well. Yes, the fried chicken is ready. We can eat it with fried onion and green dip. Add some fried onion on top. It's very tasty with this fried onion. Okay. Crispy. Oh, crispy and juicy inside. The taste of the spices, yummy.